Want to reduce or remove background noise in phone call on iPhone? Then you must know about the feature called voice isolation. Today, I'll show how to use voice isolation to remove or reduce the background noise for calls on iPhone. So let's get started. Before you do anything, make sure to update your device. Once it's up to date, then first you need to either make a call or receive a call. For me, I'll dial a number 123 for example. After dialing this number, all I need to do is swipe from the right side of screen to open Control Center. After dialing, you can see at the top of the screen the mic and location icon with phone and system service. Just tap on it. Here you can see the microphone icon and these options. Here you need to tap voice isolation settings. There you go. Once you select these settings on your iPhone, you will be able to hear less background noise sounds than before. So guys, that's how you can use voice isolation feature on iPhone. Thanks for watching!